Hello everyone. Once again, this is Mama Senho of the Small Terrible YT channel. So in our previous tutorials, you have learned how to use the image tool, the link tool, the gallery tool, the video tool, the audio tool, and the widget. Today, I am going to teach you how to use this questions tool and a little bit of equation tool and 3D tool, according to how our webinar speaker have delivered it. Alright, so let's start with these questions. But before that, let's first have the heading of our content. Test yourself content. Alright, so test yourself. Size would be 20. Alright, and then okay, let's use this image tool. So we are going to add the image of the teacher. Alright, then always remember the magic numbers 85, 70. Then create text wrap is always push left. Alright, then we have your teacher there waiting for you to test you. Alright, now I am going to teach you two types of questions. Alright, first is the true or false. T or, okay, I'm just going to write true or false type. Alright, so first click, after you have that, click again center, then after that click questions. Alright, for the title, you write the instructions for your test. So you are going to have write true if the statement is correct, and write false if the statement is incorrect. Alright, so we have already the instruction for our test. Change this response part here to score and answer report. Alright, then let's have the true/false. So you write here the question. Okay, let's just have 3 questions as our illustrations. For example, manipulated variable, not questions but statement. Manipulated variable is a factor that is changed by the researcher. Alright, so the correct answer is true. If it's false, you change it to false. Alright, so since it's true, alright, then you're going to add another. So you just click again that one, the true false. For the question 2, by the way, you write number 1, okay? This one, number 2, okay? So, for example, responding variable is also called independent variable. Is it a true or false? So this is false. So you write, you're going to select false. Then add another. Okay, number 3. Hypothesis is a testable statement. Alright, it's true. Okay, so if you're done, you just click, but before that, you first have this option Number of questions, there are only 3. Passing score, 2. Total score, 3. Don't forget to modify this part before you create. Alright? Okay. So let's now create. We're done with the options. Again, you write the number of questions here, the total score, and the passing score. Okay, let's just create. Okay, so we have your interactive material for your students to answer. Let's try the preview. Okay. Alright, where is it? Okay, let's try to answer. Okay, manipulated is, for example, I'm going to answer false. Here I'm going to answer true. Okay, true. Let's submit the answer. Okay, so it will highlight the correct answers. Alright, so I hope you learned something when it comes to the true or false type of question. Let's go back and proceed to the next type of question. And it's all about, okay, just press enter. Okay, you have it already. After that, let's first have the heading, title of this type of test, the multiple choice test. Okay, after that, go back to the center alignment. Let's have that type of questions, MCQ, multiple choice questions, single choice. Again, write the instructions for your exam. Okay, choose the letter of the best answer. Okay, then score and answer report. Do not forget to change the response always. Then, since, okay, I'm going to copy paste. It's okay to copy paste from your document. Of course, you make your own. Okay, this is just for the sake of illustration. Then so I have prepared it already because it takes time to type, so it will just be very easy for us to transfer. So let's just have that one example. Anyway, you are just going to click again the MCQ single choice if you want to have another slot in here. Okay, let's just put something here. You are still with me. Alright, so we're almost there. Okay, let's put the correct answer first. Okay, do not forget to write the correct answer. So that the computer won't be confused later on. So this is the correct answer is letter A. Number 2, the correct answer is letter B. Alright. So again, if you are done writing your questions, okay, you are going to click on the options tab. Then number of questions, 2 questions, passing score 1, total score 2. Alright, then you create. So you have there already. Okay, let's have the preview. Alright, so let's try to answer this. For example, this is making observations. Alright, and let's make it wrong. Okay, you got 1 questions out of 2 correctly. Okay, then the correct answers are already highlighted. Alright, so let's go back now to edit. So we're done with the questions too. If you have some questions, feel free to comment down below. Now let's have these equations. Okay, this is just, 3D first. So just a bonus tutorial for us to learn. Okay, so for you to use this 3D tutorial or 3D tool, you have to first have an .obj format file. Okay, so let's have 3D. Okay, so you are going to add image here. Okay, add image, and then where is it? Add image, then let's have the .obj. Where is it? Alright, so I am going to prepare it. I am going to place it in the desktop. So for our next tutorial, I am going to let you learn about equation in 3D. Okay, so I am going to prepare first the materials. Alright, so see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.